Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in HINO truck, and this one is HINO truck 2013 FM 2013 300 and 617 series. This one come with the standard factory radio and screen and GPS navigation, but it stopped working before. So at this moment we already have done the 10-inch full package wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, which you are seeing the wireless Android Auto on the screen with our phone recording this. We also upgrade the oh yeah, you know that the system also get upgrade with the new reverse camera, full HD anti-glare and super night vision ones, and we also fit the new camera with the very best position for the truck. Okay, if you see that the new camera is fitting here right in the middle of the back and has the bracket and stay backwards, so it will have to see very well for the location, comparing with the previous camera was down on the chassis here. Okay, it was down here and it was not working well before, and it stopped working actually. So at this moment the camera is very beautifully in the place and nicely fit and wiring hidden along the truck to the front, and it's got protection all the way through the chassis and to the front and come into the truck, where there's a rubber mount in the middle here and on the floor, so we run through that rubber and come up, so it's blocked and very nice and tight. And so everything is exactly as the normal tanning system that we fit for our customer, and you would see the camera is beautifully done. Actually there's interference because of that beep 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 buzzer making interference into the power for the reverse, so we already try to address that, but yeah, that is something we cannot get over, but otherwise the camera itself is working beautiful, no problem. Yep, and that's about, and it has FM and AM radios, and it has built-in sat-nav navigation, and also the sat-nav navigation is for the truck as well. If in case the driver doesn't want to use the phone, they can use the truck map for the truck. So also we actually fit in here one new USB port for the driver. It's easier to access and plug in anything. USB stick, easy for the use. From the top here, it doesn't change the view, it doesn't change the access to the air conditioner control, and it is the very best one. Doesn't block the air vent. Beautiful. And yep, thanks again for watching. And if you want to have the same system we currently already developed and get the plug and play system like this into this truck, including our part and accessories, we already show up in other video in our channel for what part it is and how it looks like with our package for HINO trucks. So thanks again and see you then.